Happy Easter, guys. Today is April 7, 2023, and those who are celebrating, have you guys a great Easter. And this is holidays in North American market. So it's a long weekend and enjoy, everybody. Okay, so this is Bitcoin update. Basically, this is daily chart of Bitcoin live market. Bitcoin never sleeps. So basically, this is the daily chart. You can see what's happening on Bitcoin. Let me get rid of some of my indicators so it's visible for you clearly here. So you can see Bitcoin is in a nice uptrend. Okay, it's making a higher highs. Okay, you can see this high, higher high, higher high, and then made a lower low, and then again a pump here. Okay, and then now it's also making a higher high. Also, it's on this nice trend line. Okay, you can see support here, support here. Now it's possible it can come back to test this trend line, and it can find support here. Okay, you can see what's happening on RSI. Price is going higher here, and RSI is going lower. Okay, same thing with PPO. You can see here also PPO is also going lower. All right, so price is going higher, but on a lower momentum on PPO and RSI. Okay, now another thing I wanted to show you, if I bring these SMA lines, let me get rid of a few other lines so it's a bit clear for you guys. Let me get rid of 200 EMA. We don't need that, and also 50 EMA. We don't need that. Okay, so now you can see what's going on here. We pumped really high. So this pump, this was very explosive. Okay, and it went very far away from this daily 50 SMA line. Okay, you can see this red SMA line. This is daily SMA line. Price always like to come back. It's called mean reversion. Okay, it cannot stay that far away from this mean line. Okay, I will show you what I mean. Every time price goes far away from this red line, it comes back to this red line. Okay, you can see here every time it goes far away, try to come back, far away, come back again. Okay, if I zoom out a bit, you can see here as well, went way higher, come back, went below, and then come back, higher back, down back. So it has to come back at some point. All right, so let's go back where we are now. So you can see now it's the 50 SMA is around 25,000. Okay, and also there is this support line. This trend line is also coming. So it's possible because we have negative divergence on PPO and RSI, price will go down, and this whole area, this is a big support area. Okay, guys, so you can see this whole area here, which is around 24 to around 23-ish. Okay, this is a big support area. Okay, so it's going to be very healthy. If we get a pullback, it's going to be very healthy for overall crypto market. This is a bullish chart. Okay, so also I don't expect any time here we will go back here. Okay, so this year, this is the bottom. Okay, so we are never going here this year. We'll talk about next year when the time comes. But for now, I think all pullbacks should be bought by buyers. So if you get a pullback, that's a good opportunity to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so look to buy Bitcoin. And also, I wanted to show you something. This is also making a flag. Okay, the only thing which I don't like is this crossover on PPO. You can see on live market, green line now crossed below red line, and also there's this red dot on PPO, sorry, on RSI. That will put a lot of downwards pressure on this Bitcoin. So this pullback will be very healthy for Bitcoin to go up next leg higher. And if I zoom out, there is this next resistance area here. Let me draw a line here. Let me draw a box here. You can see this whole area here. That's a big resistance box here. Okay, so let's make it a bit red. Okay, then another next one is here. You see this whole area here. This is another big resistance here. Okay, so it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to cross these resistances. Okay, so let's maybe expand this a bit. These two, let's try to expand it. Okay, so you can see I am expecting next couple of weeks to month to Bitcoin to just chop around between these two zones. Okay, so 24K zone, let's write it down here right now. So around 24K support. Okay, 24K support. Let's make it maybe 16. And then this is the support area, and also this resistance area. Okay, here is around 31K resistance. Okay, 31K resistance. So next couple of weeks, basically I'm looking for Bitcoin to just chop around between here. Also, I would like to show you something else. Let's draw a Fibonacci retracement and see how this thing shows up. If I draw, let's make a Fibonacci from here, like a bottom to the top here. Okay. You can see usually when we get a pullback anywhere between 0.382, which is 25K, and 0.5, which is 23K, this is a healthy zone. Okay, this is a healthy pullback. Okay, so look for a pullback to buy between these two zones, and then we will have a pump. Okay, so if you are long, let me get rid of this so it's clear. So basically look to take profits now here in this zone, and then pullbacks look to buy those pullbacks. Okay, now that's on Bitcoin, and let's quickly look at Bitcoin dominance, because that's related to how the altcoin season will start. You can see Bitcoin dominance is going lower. Okay, you can see it's facing a lot of resistance here. You can see this is weekly chart, a lot of resistance here around 47%, so it's not able to close above that. Okay, I would like to see, you see how this vertical move came down. I would really like to see a vertical move up. You can see this vertical move down. I really want to see a vertical move up for Bitcoin dominance to start, but until we get that, it's going to be very hard for altcoins to pump. We would like to see Bitcoin coming here around 55 to 60% zone. That's the target. If once Bitcoin is here, that's when we should be looking for altcoin seasons. Okay, until now there's a lot of pressure, so let's see when we go there. That's when really Bitcoin and altcoins should really start pumping at that time. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Let's see what's happening on Ethereum. You can see same thing. Ethereum is making lower momentum on PPO and RSI, and also on PPO. You can see price is going higher. It made a bullish move on basically Monday, but then now it's retracing. So again, you can see on PPO we're trying to have this crossover below this red line. If green line crosses red line, that's going to be a bearish sign. Again, same concept. Look to buy this pullback. So this 1700 is a great support area for Ethereum. You can see this whole support area. It's a good support area here. So look to buy pullbacks into that zone. And also there is another support area. I think it's going to be very hard for Ethereum to go as low as here. For that you need a big dump. But for now, look to buy in anywhere around 1700. And also this red SMA line. You can see this red SMA line is coming, which is around right now, as of now, around 1700. So any pullbacks, look to buy. So I'm looking for basically, let me get the right tool. Looking for a dump here, okay, and then a pump basically to fulfill this cycle. Okay, you can see this resistance here. Let me draw another box here. You can see this resistance here. This whole resistance area, it's not going to be easy to close above that. Okay, that's our target, first target, and then second target is this next resistance box here. Okay, this is the second basically target for Ethereum to go there. All right, so these are our levels on Ethereum, and yeah, guys, overall looking good. Crypto, look to buy this dip, and I think we should be okay. So it's just going to bounce around between support and resistance for the next couple of weeks. So look to buy off support, sell on resistance, and just repeat that. Okay. Alright guys, enjoy your rest of the weekend, and on your way out, please hit the like button. It just takes 1 second and it helps this channel grow. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Bye.